Namaskar friends, myself Dinesh Babu Tripathi. I was discussing about the English shorthand exercise 32-33 of chapter large circles SW and SS or SZ. So in small, I will complete the exercise again. The summary of the exercise, summary of the chapter is as follows. A large initial circle represents SW. A large medial or final circle represents the light or dark sound of SS with an intervening vowel, where a root word ends with stroke. Yes, the plurals possessive or third person singular is formed in the addition of the circle yes, where a root word ends with a circle yes, the plural possessive or the third person singular is formed by the use of large circle yes. A few words ending in SS are written with the circle and stroke or with the stroke and circle as distinguish them from words in which the large circle is employed. The SW circle is used in phrases like as well as we know, and the SS circle in the phrases like it is said or in this city. So this is the summary of the chapter. So further I will complete the exercise number 34. 34 exercise of the book is here. I am going to show you. This is 34 exercise. Write in shorthand. The exercise is longhand has been given and we have to write in shorthand. So I will read from the exercise and try to write in the notebook. The outlines I am going to write with a red pen so that it is visible, it is eligible to you people. But don't write it with the red pen, it is not permitted. You have to write it with the pencil and shorthand notebook only. The outline may be little greater due to understanding for the you people, but you have to write it with the pencil, notebook and in correct position. So I am going to start exercise number 34. The. So I will write the. The is an article. The invoices and bills of lading for the violences and lasses are ready for dispatch for dispatch and the cases themselves should be the cases themselves are to leave, not should be, are to leave by the Swiss. This is underline Swiss valley sailing on Wednesday. The advices the advices should be with our customers by the customer 10th of March. 10th of March, and they will do all they can to make a success of the deal full stop. They know the business thoroughly. They know the business thoroughly, and you may safely leave it to them. Full stop. It is scarcely scarcely necessary to emphasize what they know already. So this exercise is over. So next I will start chapter 10, loop, ST and STR. So all these exercises further are based on the circle S, SS and like that. So thank you very much.